Good day everyone, especially to you Ma'am Nins. My name is Junior Mausay from BP3. So, my title is Safe Spaces Act RA 11313. So, today, I will discussing Republic Act number 11313, also known as the Safe Spaces Act. This law is important because it protects people from gender-based sexual harassment in public spaces, online, workplaces, and even schools. As students, we experience different environments every day. So, understanding this law help us know our rights and how to respect others. Oh. RA 11313 aims to make all spaces safe for everyone regardless of gender. Some key provisions of this law include: first, it penalizes catcalling, wolf whistling, and unwanted comments and other forms of harassment in public places like streets, jeepneys, and campuses. So, second, it also covers online harassment such as sending unwanted sexual messages and cyber stalking or posting inappropriate content without consent. And third is schools and workplaces are required to create policies to prevent and respond to gender-based harassment. And so this law is very relevant to us as college students because we interact with many people daily, both in person and online. It reminds us to respect boundaries, promote equality, and stand against harassment. It also empowers victims to speak up and seek justice. So, my advocacy is simple. Respect is everyone's responsibility. As students, we can help by being mindful of our words and action, speaking up when we see harassment, and also supporting victims instead of blaming them. Creating safe spaces starts with us. And in conclusion, the Safe Spaces Act protects individuals from harassment and promote a culture of respect and safety. Let us use this knowledge not just to protect ourselves but also to protect others. Thank you and daghang salamat.